All right, welcome back. It is Friday, Fun Friday, 25th of August. It's about 11 o'clock in the morning. Took the day off from work to get a head start on some of these parts. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna Raptor the inner fenders, inside the fenders, and inside the skirts. That's all that's left as far as Raptor. I want to do this for a couple of reasons. One, it looks good. Two, I really don't want to sit here and prep all this underneath for base coat, clear coat. I don't see the point in that unless you're building some sort of turntable car. There's no point, man. In order to get this slicked out, you would have to do a lot of work on that, and I'm not feeling that. So I'm just gonna Raptor, tinted Raptor, and behind the skirts also. Main reason for the fenders is I'm not sure on the 60 what is seen. There might be a little bit here seen and maybe a little bit in the back once they're installed, if you go looking for it. And with everything green under and the motor and everything that I got, I really don't want to see gray primer in an area that we forgot to coat. So I'm gonna go ahead and do inside the fenders, inside the skirts, mainly because the underneath of the car is green Raptor already. And not that anybody's gonna be laying under there looking at it, but it would look kind of funny if you have a big gray skirt on the inside under there. So these are the cruiser skirts I've been having. A whole different video on that, but I just got one more to disassemble and mask off. I thought this would be a good stopping point. So masked off all the holes that we drilled for all the emblems and trim and stuff. Welded up, I forgot what was there. Something was there. Antenna hole, I believe. We did a little repair right here. I didn't even grind that down. That's all metal. Not worried about it. Just gonna wrap it right over. And also this will help. We didn't do any patch repair. Just here. And it really wasn't a patch. It was really, really small. But we did a weld up antenna there, and I believe that's it. Oh, it was a Biscayne emblem here that we welded up. So with this being coated on the back side, this is all metal. And with the Raptor, it's going to even offer more protection for moisture trying to get through to anything. So anyways, enough yakking. I'll bring you guys back once I get this masked up and get to mixing. All right, I got it mixed up. I got everything masked, pretty much ready to go. Just gonna spray it on top of this throwaway moving blanket. Every time I'm at Harbor Freight, I pick up a new one for $4 and we throw them away. So I only bought one jug. I bought one jug and I stretched it. Right now it's filled to about right here. I reduced it. I added paint. And I added a little bit more hardener than it called for, just to stretch it out, just to make sure I got enough, which I should have plenty. But I got basically about 24 and 14, which is 38 ounces, which should be plenty for what we're trying to do here. I'll get you guys set up on the chest plate, record what we're doing. right, that's a wrap. Oh man, I probably could have done good by buying 2 bottles, but that's you know, $60 versus $120. So all I did was stretch it. And once I was done with the skirts, if you guys were watching, and I started on the fender, I realized that I didn't think I was gonna have enough. So instead of spending a lot of material in little crevices from the get-go, I wanted to go ahead and at least get a coat on the whole thing and make it uniform. So, and then with the leftover, you know, try to get the crevices. But anyways, man, they're green. Pretty much what I was going for. Like I say, I don't think anybody's ever gonna see it, but it looks better than gray primer. So I did stretch the Raptor, over activated it and over reduced it. And it was a little runny. You can see it was dripping out the gun, but hey man, it's coated. So that's it. This was the last step before starting 600 grit on all the parts to get painted. So I'm gonna be doing that, you know, starting tomorrow. So hope you guys enjoyed this little episode here. Y'all stay tuned for more work. Thanks for watching.